Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set cleaning schedules on the XIAOMI Robot Vacuum 5. So if you want your robot to start cleaning on set times, this is how you do it. And the first thing that we're going to do is open up the XIAOMI Home app and make sure that you have already connected your robot to the app. So after you've done that, press on XIAOMI Home on the bottom left and then press on your robot. So then we're going to press on the, we're going to extend this menu right here, just like that. And then we're going to press on Scheduled Cleanup and then press the plus icon on the bottom right. And this is where we set the cleanup start time. So just set the hour and the minutes when you want your robot to automatically start cleaning up. So then you don't even need to be present for that. You don't need to activate it through the app. It's all going to do it automatically. So you can select something like, I'm just going to select this time. Then you can change these settings right here, how many times it repeats, on what days. So I'm going to do daily. And cleanup mode is where you change the cleanup, well, pretty much modes. So press confirm, press the check mark icon. And once 16 hits, as you can see in about a minute, then you will receive a notification on your phone and the robot will start cleaning automatically. So if you want to add another one, you just press the blue icon. Again, you can do multiple in the span of one day, or as you can see, it hit 16 o'clock and the robot has started. I'm going to end cleanup for now, but you can see it has started automatically by itself. So that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.